Today I am start residential building electrification. Also it will be start in our class, but I am repeat again for those people who do not attend college. So residential building electrification, I am start it from totally from first. Okay, पहले से शुरू करेंगे रेसिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन को. ओके, सो what do you think about residential building electrification? Residential building electrification means in house, office, school, where wiring is used, this is called residential building electrification. The best example is in our house is under residential building electrification. Okay, so here also we take some I rule and we also follow some I rules and others I apparatus. Okay, and features we also use. For residential building electrification, first of all we draw a wiring diagram. Okay, we draw a wiring diagram, then we practical the diagram. Okay, then we follow the diagram. First of all we draw the wiring diagram. How do we done the wiring. Next, the voltage drop in cable. In residential building also have a voltage drop. Okay, in residential building also have voltage drop, and how much voltage drop we allow? The 5% of 2.5% of voltage drop is allowable. Okay, 2.5% of voltage drop allowable. So what happens if 2.5% voltage drop is allowable in our residential building? Service voltage is 220 volt. Okay, so into 2.5%. Okay, or 2.5 by 100, that is 5.5 volt approximate. Okay, this voltage is allowable, this drop will be allowable, that is 220 or 225 volt or 215 volt. Okay, this is the allowable voltage range. This is the allowable voltage range for residential building electrification. And it is the supply, it is the main supply system. But we also see that the switchboard to suppose main switch to junction box to distribution box. Okay, here also we voltage drop applicable, and this voltage drop how much is allowable? The half of this voltage. Okay, this is the 5.5 volt, and under the building the voltage drop is allowable half of this voltage. Okay, means 2.75 volt. Okay, 2.75 for one board to another board, or under the building the total wiring, and that have also be the voltage drop, and this voltage drop how much? 2.75 voltage drop we also consider. Okay, greater than 2.75 voltage drop we cannot consider. Next we see that which type of apparatus used in residential building electrification. Okay, which type of apparatus used in residential building. First of all we also use main switch. Okay, without main switch you cannot complete the wiring. Okay, main switch, the rating of main switch, the rating obviously 100 ampere rated main switch can be used, or 32 ampere, 100 ampere, 32 ampere, or 16 ampere. Okay, this type of ampere rating switch you can also use. And then breakers. Okay, which type of breaker you also use? Okay, let's now see here, SP, that's mean single pole breaker. Okay, SP means single pole breaker. That's mean it only cut the supply, single phase supply. Okay, single phase supply only cut the single phase supply. Single pole breaker, DP. Double pole breaker, that's mean one phase and one neutral. It will be cut one phase supply and one neutral supply. TPN, triple pole and neutral. Okay, triple pole and neutral, that's mean three phase RYB and neutral. It will be cut RYB phase and neutral phase. Okay, SPN, that's mean single pole and neutral. Okay, it will be cut one single pole and one neutral. That means in our house service connection, one pole and one neutral, so we use the SPN breakers. This will be the circuit breaker. Okay, or MCB. This will be the circuit breaker or MCB. Okay, another is TP, that's mean triple pole. Okay, triple pole means it only cut the three pole supply RYB phase. Okay, sorry, it will be cut only RYB phase, not neutral. Okay, here it is not used for cutting the neutral supply, not neutral. Another is 4 pole MCB, triple pole MCB, single pole MCB, double pole MCB, triple pole and neutral MCB, SPN MCB and triple pole MCB and 4 pole MCB. 4 pole MCB, here also 3 phase supply and one additional neutral. Okay, one additional, it will be cut 3 phase supply and additional neutral supply को भी एक काट सकता है. Okay, this is the basic idea of residential building electrification MCB or breakers. Okay, in next video we will be start the design of or wiring of residential building electrification. Okay, wiring of residential building electrification. Next day we will start the wiring of residential building electrification.